Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some Christmas cake pops. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas cake pops, we're going to begin by making 3 circles on our paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace this little circle here so I can get a nice circle. So I'm just going to draw 3 of them. So I'm going to draw a circle right over here for my first one. Then I'm going to put one a little bit higher up, kind of towards the middle. So we'll draw one here. And then I'm going to put my third one over here, just a little bit lower. And we'll just draw this right around here, just like that. So we got our 3 little circles. And if you don't have something to trace like that, you can just draw them. These definitely don't have to be perfect. So we're just going to make some fun little details on here. So let's start with this one. We're going to turn this one into a little reindeer. So I'm going to begin by making a nice circle, nice and big, right in the middle here, a little bit lower than the middle. Then right here, I'm going to make a little sad face for an eye, and then I'm going to make another little sad face for an eye right over here. Now right here, let's make some ears. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and down for an ear. And then same thing here, we're just going to go up and down. Then we'll put a little sad face shape inside each one. Now for the antlers, let's just make 2 lines here and then 2 lines over here. We're going to make a little bump on each side of these. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to go up and down for some little cute antlers on our reindeer. Next, let's make the stick. So I'm going to begin by just drawing a long line that's just going to go down. And then we'll make another line that's just going to go down right here. And then we'll just connect it with a curve. And then I'm just going to make a little squiggle line right here so it looks like some of the frosting kind of drip down. Now let's start on our next one. Let's make this one a little Santa. So to start off with our little Santa one, let's begin right here and we're just going to make well actually we'll start up here a little bit and we're just going to make kind of like an oval shape for the nose. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down like this. And another one's just going to kind of go down and out. Then we're going to curve this up. And then we're just going to curve this down and up. Next, we're going to make a line down. And then another line down right here. Next, I'm going to make a little circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And then same thing over here, little circle, coloring most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Now for the hat, let's just make a little bumpy line that goes right across here. Then right here for the top of the hat, let's just draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then we'll put a little circle on top. Let's make a little line here and a little line here for the eyebrows. And then we can do a little line that goes down and up for the mouth. Now for the stick, let's just draw a line that comes down. And then another line that comes down, and we'll just kind of connect these. Then we'll do the same thing, just make a little squiggle line. Now over here for our last one, let's make this one look like a cute little snowman. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up and I'm going to curve this around and down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down We're going to go over and then back up. This is going to be like a little scarf. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and come back here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little black dot for an eye, and then another one right over here. Let's make a line that comes over, and we're going to bring this back around for a little carrot nose. And we'll put a couple little lines on here. Then right here, we're going to make a little smile with a line across. And then let's color in a couple buttons. We're going to do a button here, and then one more here. Then I'm just going to make a couple little squiggle lines that come up here, and then a couple little squiggle lines that go this way. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to curve this one around and then bring it back up. And then we'll make a little squiggle for the frosting. And there you go. There is your drawing of some Christmas cake pops. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.